Dear colleagues, dear friends, what a fantastic idea to create the first Indian school of hysteroscopy. Thank you, Dr. Rajiv Yerabdekar, Dr. Vilaya Sagar, and Dr. Milind Telang for this fantastic project. The School of Hysteroscopy will create its first comprehensive hands-on workshop, Symbiscope 2024, the 4th till 6th of April. This brings us to the fact that hysteroscopy today is really, really essential for every gynecologist. It is the tool par excellence, the tool together with ultrasound for every general gynecologist, but also for the reproductive surgeon. Thank you very much, and join the School of Hysteroscopy in India. It will be fantastic. Thank you.